All right, everybody, welcome back to AMAGarage 253. So tonight we're going to do a little welding on a broken exhaust. But before we do that, we're having some lunch. So this is Berkshire pork belly. So if you've never heard of a Berkshire pork, it's an old heritage pig from England, and they're supposed to be pretty good. But I cooked this one for 15 hours in the sous vide and my marinade, and then we've just got some plain short grain white rice and some green bean salad, basically with vinegar and soy and some seasonings, and it's a little sour, and it's going to counteract the fattiness of the pork belly. Hey, you know, we were just talking, if you're going to eat, you may as well eat good.
So today we're actually working on my personal 2010 Chevy Silverado exhaust system. Was it last Tuesday?
Last Tuesday.
Last Tuesday. We were up in the mountains looking for agates and black opal.
Black agate.
Black agate.
Yeah,
opal.
opalized wood, I guess, is what we ended up finding.
And on the way down the mountain, we heard a big old clank. We weren't sure what it was. And looking at my truck earlier tonight, we figured out that my exhaust broke. So
here, I'll show you.
So what we're gonna end up doing is kind of cleaning it up. We got it off the truck, which is
Obviously.
pretty boring to see. It's just a couple clips and one bolt that holds it up to the headers up top. So we're gonna clean everything up, tack it, clean the rest of it up, and then try to weld it up all the way around. We might throw a little bit extra support on there.
Yeah, we got a little bit of metal on the side here, so in the event that this isn't good enough, we'll reinforce it. So we're moving kind of slow though after that dinner, after that lunch we had.
Yeah, it was really good. So, but hopefully this won't take too long. We'll get it going, and that way the truck isn't super loud anymore.
Yeah. Of course, neither one of us were anticipating welding tonight. We're both wearing shorts.
Yeah. Yeah. So,
Oh well. All right, everybody, as you saw, we did a really thick welding job on this and then kind of built it up a little bit more. It's a little sloppy looking, but at least Andrew let me do some welding. So I took a brush to it, I took soot off, got most of the slag off, and then Andrew put, while it was still hot, guys, this is a really, really good tip. While that metal's still hot, we painted it, and it dries and it adheres so much better to the metal. So next step is one of the bolts that held the exhaust onto the truck snapped. So Andrew's getting a replacement for it right now. Of course, it's a Chevy, so it's standard, and this is a metric garage because of the Honda. So
I got lots of standard.
Andrew's got lots of standard, he said. So we're good there. So but anyways, so that's what we've done right now. So like I said, you guys saw it, we got this welded up. We're just going to be putting it back onto the truck now.
All right, guys, so we got it installed. That's the one bolt that we had to add. And like I said, it went from one of the cats. There's a little V-band type clip or a little clamp that the piping connects to, and then it runs all the way back there. And you can see that right by the shock is right where the weld broke. Like I said, we were driving down the road and we heard a clank. We weren't sure what it was until we looked under the truck and realized, hey, my exhaust is broken. So we got it all fixed up, got everything all mounted back. It's all secure, super tight. It ain't going anywhere. It's probably more secure now than it was. So that is going to be probably it for tonight.
All right, everybody, like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it.
Yeah, appreciate you watching. Pretty soon, like you probably saw the last video that Chris we just posted. Chris did for me. The 59 Apache will actually be in the shop here soon. Probably get in a couple weeks. We had to clear some stuff out from other projects and things, and then it'll be go time.
Yep, we'll start tearing that apart, and like I said, we're going to do a little slower. We're going to do a little more in depth so that we can show you how we do it. So it'll be a little different this time, and so we appreciate you watching. And there was a question we had one of the subscribers ask why we weren't working on the 58, the blue one, and so I answered them in the comments, but I'll let you guys know now is because there's an issue with the title on it, and one of the numbers, one of the letters on the VIN was entered wrong, and it's way at the front, so I didn't see it. I always check the VIN, but I didn't see it. It was the second one, and so the vehicle's got to be re-inspected, even though it was street legal and licensed and everything. And so right now, so we just kind of put it on hold to see what we need to do. And with the COVID-19 pandemic, it kind of put they canceled all inspections. So, but we'll get it done as soon as we can, and then we'll start posting videos on that blue 58 as well. So,
yeah, you gonna say hi, Lucky?
Lucky dog. Hi, Lucky dog.
So, all right, guys, you have a good night. Be safe, and thanks for watching.